You're 84,000 late, nigga.
Right, well, we got a major hiccup. Why the f are we doing this?
Huh?
Why are y'all here?
No,
if we're not going to get to $1 million, pack this shit up and get the f out of my crib,
nigga. We want it, nigga. This is the sleepover, nigga. This is the last party.
I don't have to do it if you already did the get the f out.
Yeah, nigga. The reason why we doing it here, nigga.
Okay, well let's handle the first matter at hand. I want to take the $100,000 I just offered back.
Oh no, Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg at 50,000.
I know, but show me how I get it back.
No.
Where do I press to get it back?
It ain't come through yet.
It's right here.
I don't know.
Actually, you ain't send nothing.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. I want to make sure I don't. That transaction doesn't go.